Hey guys, what's going on? We're here in Queenstown. Today we've got the Shotover jet boat through the Shotover River, and it costs $155 for an adult ticket, but what we've done, you've got an option to redo the whole thing again for an extra $19, so we thought that'd be worth it for that price. So we've got that today. That's at 10:30. We're gonna drive out there. It's about a 15-minute drive, and yeah, we'll see you at the Shotover jet boat. Are we gonna get like wet ice and shit? Are these Andy's like heated or something? Alright, if you got a photo, welcome along to Shotover Jet. My name's Andy. How you doing? Good, how are you? Great. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we've done the jet boating. I don't know, John, have you done this yet?
No, we'll talk about the jet boating.
We're done jet boating, that was crazy.
Yeah, we've done it twice. Second go was definitely more intense. There was a younger bloke.
He was sending it, you get like a meter away from rocks, like you feel like you have to duck because like you're gonna smash your head on the rocks.
They come so close to some like the shore bits, and they do 360s. It's about 20 minutes each way. Yeah. I'd say it's worth it. Yeah, the one thing is, because you go so fast, and especially in winter, like the cold wind, like you can't see.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And like some water splashes up, and so keep that in mind in winter. It can be quite
Make sure you cover up all your skin. They give you these.
You get real cold, you're gonna need gloves.
Beanie. Yeah. Even sunnies could help a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty exhilarating.
Yeah, it's awesome. So
We're
Got
just
our
having
lunch now?
Ferg Burger.
Ferg
Baker.
Baker.
They have,
Not
so
burger
they've got
now.
a bakery, a burger, and I'm pretty sure a gelato place as well. Stopped off at Foursquare. Got a few things.
Enchilada, $1. Got the pie.
Yeah, they came through Foursquare with some good deals.
Yep.
So I'm not too sure what we're going to do for the rest of the day, but we'll check in when we're doing something interesting. Just been grinding for the past 5 hours or so. Had a big nap. But right now we're heading out for dinner. What are you feeling like, Brent?
Not sure yet.
Yeah, we're not sure. Probably just gonna check it out. Yeah, but there's plenty of cool looking spots here in Queenstown. Very lively. The place is buzzing, so we're gonna smash a feed. Might get you a juicy close-up clip of it. So let's go. No, that wasn't last night. Tin tuna. Got that chicken ramen, tonkatsu. What are we gonna do, Brent? We going?
Oh, thank you very much.
Everything all good?
Yeah.
So we're here actually considering property here in Queenstown because we love it so much. What do you think of the prices?
No,
You've got some experience
some
in
expensive stuff, but
it is a really nice place, but comparing to Sydney, it is a really good spot.
I might get in a cup. Okay, please. Let's go for this one.
So we're here at Mrs. Ferg's, the ice cream place. I got the Hokey Pokey, the kiwi one, peanut butter, banana, and some caramelized sesame seed. So we're gonna smash these. Cost $7.90 for 3 flavors.
I got that.
What you
I
get?
got that white chocolate with that raspberry mixed in with one of them, and we got some blueberry.
Yeah, it's cold out here, but we don't care. So there's actually a burger place, a bakery, and a Mrs. Ferg ice cream. So pretty cool. So that is a wrap for day 14 of the New Zealand vlog.
Yeah. We didn't forget them. We didn't forget what day it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on top of that.
So we got 2 more full days in Queenstown. Not exactly sure. I think we might go. Do you know those rooms where you smash shit? Pretty much, you go in there, run amok for like, I don't know, half an hour, smash shit. Yeah, there's so much to do here. I've done 2 big sort of activities. Brent's done the one. But yeah, we're gonna make the most of these next 2 days. So.
If Jane gets 100 subscribers by tomorrow, I'll do the fucking bungee jump.
Yeah, I guess he's not doing it, but anyway, we'll see you on day 15.